baked lemon dessert. Is it a lemon pudding or is it a lemon cake? You'll have to make it and then decide yourself. Combine a quarter of a cup of flour, white sugar, a pinch of salt, stir well, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and a quarter of a cup of lemon juice. In a second bowl, beat the 3 egg yolks. Add 1.5 cups of whole chilled milk. Mix into the lemon mixture. In a third bowl, beat 3 egg whites until soft peaks form. Fold the lemon meringues into the lemon mixture. Pour this lemon mixture into your greased casserole dish. Add some boiling water into your roaster pan. Pop this all into the oven. Bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. Serve warm or chilled. Our thanks to H&W Produce for their generosity and their donation of the produce used for this film and all of our other filming. We couldn't do it without them. Thank you.